this video, I'll teach you how to create a preset or chef's choice package when you have a multiple delivery day store, right? So we have our store set up here with multiple days per order, and we have Monday and Wednesday set up as our delivery days. So this is going to be one package for both days at the same time. So we'll come to the menu page and we'll add new package. I'll name this package split package just for testing purposes. You could add in a description. I'll give this a price of $100 and assign it to a category. Now for delivery days, since we want this for both days, we could either leave them unselected or select both of them. If we were to select only one, then this package would only work or appear for that one day. In this case, we want it to split, so we're not going to touch that. Next, I'll go up to the Items tab. And for the preset items, I'll just give this a basic name, like standard. And we'll go ahead and click Set Meals. And I'm just going to come through and grab some meals here, some random ones. But what I'm going to do different is in this column on the right-hand side, you can see it's named Delivery Day. So I'm going to set this meal and this meal to Monday, and this meal and this meal to Wednesday. Then I'll just go back and click OK. And now let's go check our menu. So here we have our split package on the menu. And when I click select, it'll automatically add those meals on my right-hand side for Monday and Wednesday. I'll click next for a little bit clearer view. Monday and Wednesday automatically split.